everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix enable to install profile data could not be found on iPhone. So let's get started without wasting time. First of all, go back to the home screen and then open up settings app. Tap on this profile and then tap on sign out Apple ID. So give it your password and sign out your Apple ID and reset your mobile and sign in again and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem isn't fixed, go for the next one. Next one is open up settings app and then tap on general and then scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone and then tap on reset. Tap on reset network settings, give your passcode and then tap on reset network setting. So check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem didn't fix, go for the next and final one. Final one is open settings and then tap on general. Again tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, tap on reset all setting. Give it your passcode and then tap on reset all setting. This will reset all setting, no data and media will be deleted. So hopefully your problem will be fixed. If the problem fixed, so like the video and subscribe my channel. You have any problem, let me in the comment. I will help you more. Thanks for watching.